Sheep won't mix on the mountains as such. Like if one sheep is born on a certain part of the mountain, that's where it'll go. It's called Hefting. They used it back in the Cooley Mountains there on the foot of mouth disease. But all sheep are hefted as such. So that where they're born, they will actually go back and live within 100 yards of where they're born. So one sheep won't go from one mountain to the next. It'll go to where he was born and it'll stay there. In the old times there was a lot of problem with sheep because with a lot of illnesses, particularly with worms and fluke. And but that has decreased a lot now with the modern medicines that's available to give sheep. But for example, one of the illnesses was staggers on the brain or fluid on the brain of sheep, which we used to call staggers. And that was picked up from dogs, the worms of dogs. But my father was able to operate on a sheep's head and remove the fluid off the brain. Sheep would have to be brought in and dosed at least 6 times a year and would have to be dipped at least once a year. You would also get problems with scald in the hooves and foot rot, and they would also have to be treated. A large flock of sheep is a full-time job. You would have to be working with them 7 days a week, and particularly during the winter time when you need to feed them on a daily basis. And then coming into springtime it's lambing, then come up to July it's shearing, and then September, October you're selling the lambs or bringing them in for selling and culling the ewes and putting in getting in new rams for breeding in November.